everyone. Well, Ron here. Just thought I'd cut some trees at my trim some trees at my daughter's house. I'm in South Carolina working today, so I'll sort of get around the area: Tennessee, Virginia, South Carolina. But we're going to trim up a crepe myrtle, which is that one right there. I'm going to cut it back so it looks like that one right there. I did that one on Monday, so we'll see what I can do with this one and get it done, hopefully in a short period of time. So anyway, we'll get started at it. Okay, everybody, got that done. As you can see, we got this tree all trimmed up here, so those will shoot back out. There'll be shoots coming out of that thing. Since crepe myrtle, it's like a weed. It will really grow fast. And then this is the pile of brush I got over here that the county will pick up on Friday. You have to cut everything no larger than 4 inches in diameter and no longer than 4 feet in length, because they come by with a compactor trash truck and they put it in. So anyway, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Have a good New Year. Bye-bye.